Did you know that aside from your 9 to 5, there are several highly profitable online businesses that you can start with just your phone and your Wi-Fi? No showing your face, no expensive gear. You probably didn't. Let's get into it. Hello, it's a digital introvert, and in this video we are going to talk about 7 profitable faceless businesses that you can start with just a phone and a Wi-Fi. Now, the first one you might have already heard about, and it is called Faceless YouTube Automation. I personally run another faceless YouTube channel that is automated, and I'm telling you, it is the best decision I have taken in my life. And in your mind, you might be thinking, I think that niche is overly saturated, but I'm telling you, it is not. But in case you didn't know what YouTube automation is, it basically means running a YouTube channel with just AI voiceovers, stock videos, outsourced content. Your original voice is not needed, your face is not needed, and you can monetize it via AdSense, affiliate links, and brand deals. And I did a more in-depth and detailed video of what YouTube automation really is, how to get into it, and the most profitable niches. This is why I'm recommending you to go and watch that video. And in order for you to make money, you're going to have to pick a niche that people are actually interested in. This is not something you need to care about because it's a faceless channel. We are running it solely for the purpose of gaining money, so you don't necessarily need to care about it. Now, first of all, in order to start faceless YouTube automation, you have to first of all pick a niche. So you could pick a niche in finance, luxury, entertainment, true crime, motivation, celebrity gossip, whatever it is. You could pick a niche. When you've picked a niche, you're going to need certain tools that's going to help you run this channel, and among these tools we have CapCut or InShot. But I don't recommend that you begin to invest money into something that is not giving you money yet. You should make use of free tools. So, and one of the tools that I recommend is InShot. The second tool that I definitely recommend is Canva. Why I love Canva is because you don't need to have any prior knowledge of graphic designing, editing, and all of that. Now, for your AI voiceovers, this one's a little bit complicated because this is why I personally don't really use voiceovers in my YouTube, my faceless YouTube channel, because there's a lot of complication regarding AI. Now, the tools that you can use for AI voiceovers is either 11 Labs or CapCut voiceovers. In order for you to have access to CapCut AI voiceover, you need to use the pro version. And in this channel, I want to be able to help those that don't really have the money to pay for tools, because like I've just said, I don't think it's advisable for you to start putting in money where you are not getting money yet. And when it comes to 11 Labs, I believe 11 Labs has the free version. I'm not really sure because I don't use 11 Labs. I heard about this information from another YouTube channel, but the problem is that a lot of people use the free version of the AI voices, and it's too rampant. And I heard that once too many channels are using a particular voice, it's going to pose a problem on the YouTube app, because YouTube is going to kind of detect that there's a copyright somewhere. Whilst if you want to have access to millions and millions of free different kind of AI voices, you have to pay for the pro version of 11 Labs. Now, the second highly profitable online business that you can start without your face and just a phone and a Wi-Fi is Instagram theme pages. Now, I guarantee that a lot of people don't know about this or even how to make money from it. Now, for this particular business, you need to pick a niche, and like I said earlier, just like in YouTube, in faceless YouTube automation, pick a niche that people are actually interested in. Okay, this is something that you are getting into because for the sole purpose of making money. It could also be your passion, so that you will enjoy it along the lines or along the way. But you need to pick a niche that has a high CTR and high CPM. That way, it is guaranteed that you're going to be making money. You could pick a niche in fashion, motivation, lifestyle, luxury, finance, any niche. Just pick a niche that you know is more profitable rather than a niche that is not. Post viral content and then you monetize it through affiliate links or drop shipping. Another tip that you can use is that you can post viral content, but make sure that you always credit or use royalty free. And the potential for this business is 500k to 5k a month depending on your page's size. That is why you need to focus on growing your page. If you want to pick motivation, or you're going to pick finance, or you're going to pick fashion, you need to focus on growing that page. Now, the third online business that I'm about to mention, I feel like a lot of you might have heard about it, but for the sake of those that haven't, it is called Digital Product Seller on Gumroad or Payhip. So basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to sell faceless digital products like templates, journals, planners, Notion setups, and even ebooks. How you are going to start is by creating valuable products on Canva. If you want to get into it, all you need to do is go to the Canva app, type a certain template, get creative. You could use ChatGPT and create this valuable digital product. Once you are done creating this digital product, you are going to upload it to Gumroad or Phip, and then you are going to promote it using your Instagram page, Pinterest, or TikTok faceless reels. This also relates to the Instagram theme page that I just mentioned in number 2. Is another way to monetize. So if you already had an Instagram theme page, you could create your own digital products and then sell on that Instagram theme page. And the earning potential for this is 20k to 10k a month. This can change your income game in just a few months. So start today. Bye.